Welcome back. So, a dramatic twist unfolds as Kajari's life takes an unexpected turn. Akash, who had found a single expensive sandal, jokes about destroying it, but Kajari suddenly appears and stops him. Their playful exchange hints at a growing connection between them. Meanwhile, the first day of the wedding competition comes to an end, and Akash openly admits that he likes Kajal and wants to marry her. But the biggest question is whether Kajal feels the same way. Things become chaotic when Kajari's family arrives and accuses her of abandoning her simple life for wealthy people. Kajri is humiliated and even physically attacked. Akash immediately steps in and protects her, warning her family not to hurt her again. Kajri is taken home in an injured condition, and the doctor confirms that she is weak because of stress and blood loss and needs proper rest and medication. At the same time, Akash is secretly working on a bigger plan. He wants Kajri to become accepted by the family while also taking revenge for what happened to his sister Adira. He asks everyone to keep Adira away from the competition because her arrival could expose the truth. Back at home, Kajri's stepmother continues insulting her, but Akash strongly defends Kajri. He even offers money with one condition: Kajri must never again be physically insulted or harmed. He makes it clear that anyone who makes Kajri cry will pay the price. Then comes an emotional turning point. Kajri's stepmother finally realizes how much Kajri has sacrificed for her younger brother Appu. She admits that her jealousy and prejudice blinded her. For the first time, she accepts Kajri as her daughter and promises to take care for her. She even says that from now on she has three children. Kajri is overwhelmed because all her life she wanted nothing more than a mother's love and acceptance. She thanks Akash for making that moment possible, but she begins to suspect that he may have paid her mother to change her behavior. Meanwhile, another major plan is underway. Gayatri decides to meet Kajal's family and arrange a marriage proposal for Siddharth. Akash is confident that the next morning will completely change the game, but Kajri is hiding something serious. Despite having a high fever, she refuses to tell Akash because she wants to participate in the final competition. She believes that if she wins, Akash will finally confess his feelings. Even while struggling with weakness and dizziness, Kajri gets ready. Will Kajri manage to win the final round despite her worsening health? Will Akash finally reveal his true feelings? And what will happen when Gayatri meets Kajal's family? The next episode promises an emotional confrontation and a major twist. Thank you for watching. Bye.